So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to change phone number in Binance app. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So the question is how to change your mobile number in Binance. So first off, you just head onto your Binance account and go to your profile, as you can see there. And then once you have went to profile, just go to security. Once you have entered on security, just go to enable or go to the mobile number verification, as you can see right there. And here you can change it right there. And please make sure that the account with the phone number you want to do it, you have to change it to another account or whatsoever. It should not have loan orders or a total balance less or more than 0.001 Bitcoin, or it cannot be moved or updated whatsoever. So once you have done that, just go to phone number verification. If you have another type of trust issue or whatsoever, you can just do that too. So you have to enable your phone number verification if you want to do that. And then you can request your email or phone migration to be done. Once you have done that, he'll give you a phone number verification code and then email verification code. Once you have done that, there will be terms and conditions for you to read and for your phone number migration on Binance and whatsoever. And you have to confirm, and once you have done that, it will be very done. And that's how you do it. So basically that's just how you change your phone number in Binance application. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.